everyone, welcome to Uppalapadu Bird Sanctuary, which is 10 km away from Guntur, Andhrapradesh. We need to pay entry fee to enter the sanctuary. This sanctuary is a paradise for the bird lovers. There are a lot of open-bill storks, pelicans, black-headed ibis, and etc. We can find a lot of birds here from October to March. In the sanctuary, we could see information boards related to various birds. This place is a home for migratory birds, which come from several countries around the globe like Australia, South Africa, Siberia, and etc. There is a watchtower in the sanctuary from where we can observe the birds. Park from children to play, very well organized plants, and benches all around the lake for better view. The sight of hundreds of birds at one place is a visual treat. Hope you enjoyed this trip with me. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to its menu. Thank you for watching. Bye bye guys.